Good morning. This is the November Planner Society kit. Today is December 9th, Monday. I got this on Saturday. So, spoiler alert, this is not Christmas themed. I don't know, it's my fault for assuming this was going to be Christmas themed, mailed the first week of December. I follow the Planner Society on Instagram, and they did a couple sneak peeks the week of Thanksgiving, so I kind of know what this is. I have not opened it, but I know what the general theme is going to be, and I am extremely disappointed it's not Christmas themed, but that's my fault for assuming it would be. This will be my last Planner Society boxing kit. I did the subscription for a whole year. I did like the kits, I just didn't love the kits. The designer, Christy, is very good. She has very nice designs. I like them. It's just they're all kind of similar. She's like very flowers, and I want to try something different for 2020. So if anyone has any good planner subscription kits that they love, please comment down below. I would love some different recommendations so I can check out some other subscription services. I'm just not going to do this one anymore. And I might still buy from their website. They actually have a couple good sales, like clearance sales a couple times a year to get rid of leftover planner kits, where you can get a kit like at half the price. And since she doesn't really theme any of these kits around holidays, they're really good for any month. Like, she calls this their November, but it's too late to use it for November. I'm not doing it for December since it's holiday. So technically this one's going to be my January planner. So really, you could use her planner kits any month. It's not month specific. So let me open it. I don't mean to sound like I'm complaining. I was disappointed it wasn't Christmassy. I love Christmas. I thought it would be Christmas. It is, to me, right off the bat, you know what, this tells me New Year's. This makes me think of New Year's Eve, standing outside, looking at the stars, waiting for the fireworks to start at midnight. So this was definitely a good January kit. I do like this. It's the first time, I don't know, I think it's the first time she's incorporated stars. It's usually just flowers, so that's cool. So it looks like it's going to be a good kit. It's just, I'm in Christmas mode. Oh wow, that's very pretty. I do, and so this is a pencil case. That's beautiful. It's kind of like a reddish purple. It could be purple. Listen, I am a terrible judge at colors. I don't have the best eyesight, so I'm thinking this is purple, like a mauve purple, a maroon purple. I do love her pencil cases, so that's very pretty. Little bookmark paper clip with a moon on it. Definitely New Year's Eve, my thoughts. So this will be a perfect January planner. And then this is a charm, a pen. I do love the thick pens. Is it? Yes, look at that. Very pretty pen. I do like it. All right, and then washi tape that matches. Everything matches. That is the one thing I love about her kits. Everything matches so well. And then these are her tabs that you put in on your dividers. And then let's see what we got here. A couple notebooks, a little notebook. I like that. Definitely like constellations, stars and moons on the edge. And then what do we got here? I'm gonna open this. So these are the die cuts. Oh my goodness. If I can get it open. See, I got my Christmas nails on. I'm all ready for Christmas. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I do like the backer board. So we got some constellations, tree with sun and moons hanging on it. Are they trying to be holiday? I don't know. I mean, she's got evergreen in here, but this is definitely not Christmassy in my mind. Definitely, oh, here we got crystals. So like a new age feel to it. Moon, all the constellations. That's pretty cool. I like it. And then, what is this? Just some scenes. Looking at, I don't know, your iPhone. All right, that's cool. Put those to the side. I'm not going to try to put them back in the envelope. Let's see. This should be stickers. little word stickers and then washi tape stickers. All right, those are cool. Oh, I love these. These are the like little pockets, plastic pockets, vinyl pockets that you can put on your dividers to hold stuff. I love these. Let's see. We got a small, oh, and it's overlaid with like silver stars. That is really cool. All right. And then this was, I think someone told me this is a pen case. I don't know where you would put it because like I want my book to lay flat, but I guess this is a pen case. I guess it could fit a couple pins. It's very tight. So is that what this was? Pen case? How do you attach it? Interesting. There's no way to attach it. All right, ladies, what am I doing wrong here? This is a pen case. Do I just stick it in a pocket? I don't attach it. How does this work? As you can see, I'm not a planner expert. I'm more of a casual planner kit person. These are the bow tabs. I do love the bow tabs. And then the little tabs that go, your file tabs. What else is in here? Let's open this up. It looks like there's something else in here. More word stickers. Look at that background. See, these are just backer cards, but these can totally be reused for like making, I don't know. It's too early for me to think of something, but I totally reuse these. Cut them down, turn them into other stuff. And then borders. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Purples and blues. That's really cool. That I really like. I'm gonna have fun with this one in January. Oh my goodness. What are these? These are like transparent stickers. I do love her packaging. It's very professional, very, very professional packaged. And if you like, I do suggest following her on Instagram because she posts a lot on her Insta stories. She shows like her workshop. It's very, very cool. Oh my God, these stickers are really cool. Look at that. Yeah, I definitely will still buy from her. I'm just gonna wait till stuff goes on sale. Let's see. All right, I want to show you these pages if I can. There we go. Get this torn. Oh, these are, look at this. That is beautiful. Oh, I forget. All of her pages are two-sided. I love that. And then you get 2 of each. That's really cool. I do love purple. Look at that. And that one. Oh. That 2 steps here. Yes. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then she always has a lace edge. I never know what to do with the lace edges, but they are cool. And there you go. That is her November kit, but I'm gonna call it my January planner. So I think after shipping and everything, I pay like $42 for this. So I think it's a really good deal. I do. If you really like this style, it's a good deal. But it's a new year. I'm ready to try something different. So yeah, if anyone has any recommendations, please comment down below. I just don't know where to start because, like I said, I'm not a planner expert. Someone recommended this kit to me. I tried it. I did enjoy it for a year, but I want to try something else. So there we go. I do love their packaging too. It's like I love companies that have great packaging. Another company that's not a planner society, but like makeup company like Jeffree Star's, his packaging is awesome too. So I do love companies that have great packaging. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.